Files and folders are fundamental elements of an operating system's file management system, providing a way to organize, store, and retrieve data efficiently. Here's an overview of what files and folders are and how they function within an operating system. Files. A file is a container in a computer system for storing information, data, or a program. Each file is distinct and exists within a file system, identified by a unique name and location. Files can contain any type of data, text, images, video, or executable code, and are saved in various formats, which can often be identified by their extensions, example, .txt, .jpg, .mp4, .x. Key attributes of files: name, the label by which a file is identified. Extension indicates the file type and determines which programs can open it. Size, the amount of space a file occupies on storage media. Creation date, the date and time when the file was created. Modification date, the last date and time the file was modified. Permissions, rights and privileges assigned to a file, dictating who can read, write, or execute the file. Folders, a folder, also known as a directory, is a virtual container within a computer's file system in which files and other folders can be stored. The primary purpose of folders is to help organize files in a logical, hierarchical order. Just like files, folders have properties such as name, path, and permissions associated with them. Folder structure, root directory, the top-level directory in which all other folders and files reside. Its structure can vary depending on the operating system. Example C. In Windows, in Unix Linux, subdirectories, folders within folders, used to further organize files, file system. The file system is a method and data structure that the operating system uses to control how files are stored and retrieved. Without a file system, it would be difficult for a computer system to keep track of all the files it stores. Common file systems include NTFS, New Technology File System, for Windows, HFS for Mac OS, and Extension 4 for Linux. Managing files and folders. Managing files and folders in Windows is a straightforward process, facilitated by a user-friendly graphical user interface. Here's how to perform common file and folder management tasks in Windows. Creating a file. Using File Explorer, navigate to the location where you want the file to be. Right-click in an empty space, select New, and choose the type of file you want to create. Example, text document, Word document. Using a software application, open the application. Example, Microsoft Word, Notepad. Create your document and save it to your desired location using File, Save As. Creating a folder. Using File Explorer, go to the location where you want the new folder. Right-click in an empty space, select New, and then click Folder. Name the folder as desired. Renaming a file folder. Using File Explorer, right-click on the file or folder, select Rename, and type the new name. Alternatively, you can click the file or folder once to select it, then click the name again to edit it. Deleting a file folder. Using File Explorer, right-click on the file or folder and select Delete, or select the file folder and press the Delete key on your keyboard. This moves the item to the recycle bin. To permanently delete, right-click the recycle bin and select Empty Recycle Bin. Moving a file folder. Using drag and drop, click and hold the file or folder, then drag it to the new location. Using cut and paste, right-click the file or folder, select Cut, navigate to the new location, right-click in an empty space, and select Paste. Copying and pasting a file folder. Using Copy and Paste, right-click the file or folder, select Copy, go to the destination folder, right-click in an empty space, and select Paste. Searching for a file folder. Using the search box in File Explorer, navigate to the folder where you want to start your search, or select this PC to search the entire computer. Click in the search box at the top right corner of the window and type the name of the file or folder. Windows will display results as you type.